I've got a lot of Fabfitfun to unbox, so if you want to see what's in this big old guy, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's in the other room. She's not feeling real well, and Bandit's, I don't know, he might pop in. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I just got my Fabfitfun in today. It is the 6th of February, and I will try to have this up for the 7th. All right, first we have our mystery candle. Now sometimes this is great and sometimes not so great. The last time it was like champagne. Oh, it smells so good. Now this is the spring curation. So let's see, they have, oh, this is like a Valentine's XOXO, and this is Cocoa by Stone. It's very lightly scented. I like it. I can't even tell what it is though, it's so lightly scented. I will have to look up the scent notes and see if I can find them and put them up there for you. All right, well, they're on top of the box. So I'm going to show you some of my add-ons. This is a blemish patch. It was $1.50 and you get 36 of them. So I thought that was a good deal. And by Ellis Brooklyn, we have their Apple Love perfume. This was a $12 purchase. I don't know, the value was probably something like $24. Ooh, it does have a nice apple scent. And I just love this brand. I love their scents. And then this brand I discovered in, I think it was the Cult Beauty Advent Calendar. And I really love the hair rescue spray that they sent in that box. So I decided to try their shampoo and conditioner. It did say it was for fine, thin hair. And let's see, this is the conditioner. And this is the shampoo. This one has yucca in it. And the spray that I have has guava in it. It smells so nice. And then this has, I don't even know what that is, but it has that in there. So this brand is cruelty free. They participate in 1% for the planet. Climate neutral. So you like that. It's a nice pump bottle. And I believe this was sold as a set. And they paid $12 for the set. Here is the box. Is that upside down? It is. I did add some things into the box. One was the Molten Brown, Coastal, Cypress, and Fennel. And I don't know, it was just so pretty. They had two different ones. This one sounded like I would like the scent better. Oh, I do like that. Yeah. And it was also just prettier. And then I did add on several of these. These are the Perlel Cycle Support Pack. So I got 4. I was able to add 4 in. I have 2 boxes, so I added 4 to each box. That will get 8 months of use. And this just has vitamins and supplements. So, you know, as we cycle, it changes our hormones, but it also changes our iron levels and many other things. So, I thought these would be kind of a nice thing for my daughter to try. It's got some good reviews and people felt like it really decreased their cramping, so we'll see. But I figured for, I think it was $12 for each one. versus their regular price of something around $40. I thought, you know what, we'll have almost a year's worth. And by Bala, we have the Windbreaker. And I got the large, extra large, because, well, I didn't want it to be too small. There's the inside. Oddly enough, it doesn't have a hood. I thought it had a hood. So here it is on, and it's a little large in the arms, but I think that this is the right fit for me. So it's got some zip up pockets in here. Oh, there. You put both your hands in there and they can touch. It's like a pouch. Well, I do like it. I will get use out of it. I just wish it had a hood, but it'll do. I forgot that I also added on this. I thought this was a mystery bundle, but no, this is that bag by July. I went back and forth, but in the end, I think because it was canvas, I said, you know what, that'll be pretty durable. So here it is. You've got your strap. And then inside, right along here, is one big zipper pouch. All right, so right there. So definitely has a lot of room to wear. So you can see and because it's canvas, it's washable, which I did like that as well. So I don't know, I just thought that would be like a cute on the go item. All right, well, let's get into this box. And all the pretty is on the inside. And we've got our latest game thing. There is a little freebie in here. This is a Dove dry spray deodorant. Looks like it's like a cucumber scent. It's always a nice fresh scent. All right, so this was category 1. I recall that. These are the Diff sunglasses. I went back and forth. I tried to see. It looked like something I had. I couldn't find the glasses that I thought were these, so I said, well, I love sunnies. Now these are by Diff, and Diff does donate a pair of glasses for every pair that they sell to, you know, somebody in need. And they donate eyeglasses, not like sunglasses. Well, I like those. They're nice and sturdy. I do like that. They're nice and sturdy. Comfortable. Sit on top of my head well. I like that. And they have a nice little case to put them in. All right, from here, what's what category? I don't recall. But we have, these are the Crystal Haze. All right, these are those earrings. And see, they aren't huge, but they aren't tiny. Like, they're not the Huggies. Very nice. Yeah, that's a nice length, as you can see. And the cubic zirconia goes to about the bottom. I did end up getting the Bala bangles because I found like some exercise things that I thought, oh, I could do those. Like, those definitely look like things I could do with this type of equipment. These are the slides. All right, So there they are. And I know that that was the category, it was like $9 to add them on. So I think that was category 5. All right, next by Free People, we have the Surf Candle. Oh, I can already smell the goodness. Oh, I could live in that scent. You definitely have some sea salt, but then there's like something light. Almost a little fruity. I don't know. Not like fruit forward fruity, but I don't know. I could be wrong. It's probably not. Oh, jasmine and coconut. Yeah, that's the coconut. Okay. I was right. A little fruity. Definitely not a strong jasmine scent, so wouldn't be overpowering. Next, we have, I thought these were so neat. So these are from Jean Fitz. What you have are 4 little dipping bowls. So there they are. I'm going to pull out one. And I thought this was so neat. Now, that being said, I'm the only person in my house that likes balsamic vinegar. But you see that leaf inside? So you're going to pour the balsamic just inside the leaf. Then you're going to put the olive oil in here, and it's going to sit over it, and it's going to look, I'll show you. Oh, I almost broke it. Like that. And I was like, that's so cool. That'd be really cool if I ever had company, which I don't. But it'd be really cool if I did. And then the last thing in this box I did get for the kid, and these are the Zit Stickas Goo Getter Clarifying Blemish Patches, and this is a box of 18. All right, well, I also have some mystery bags. I'm going to do a separate video for that, but let me know your thoughts about my choices. So those were my primary choices. I did add on from category 1 that windbreaker, and then from, I think, category 6 was the herbal supplements. And I forget which category this was in, but this was the Molten Brown soap, which smells really nice. And this is going in the bath next because we're almost done with the one that we have now. All right. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell if you love all things Fabfitfun, because we love all things Fabfitfun here. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.